to give them, what is it called? Not guidance, but escort. Yeah, an escort. They came to give them an escort. But they didn't know they didn't have a working car, so they could escort them walking here.